Hey guys, guess where? Guess where we are today? We are in Spanish Town, the old capital. Now Spanish Town has been the capital up until 1872. I could say later because I was born in Spanish Town, so you know it must be the capital. Now we're standing on the oldest bridge in the Western Hemisphere. The bridge here was made out of cast iron and cut stone by an English engineer. Alright, this bridge has been designated a UNESCO site where, you know, we're not supposed to do nothing at all to it. We can't do nothing unless we're going to restore this bridge. Now, with the same kind of history, we, your delivery team, are striving for that kind of solid foundation into the history of Jamaica. We've been at it for 2 years and we're building our foundation straightly and mainly on deliveries, quality of service, best pricing ever for getting your packages to you, getting your packages to you on time, all day, every day. You know, I wonder why I'm up on bridge with a package. Because we're going to do a delivery. Now this virgin was supposed to get this package. Say, him live across the bridge, but now we're going to cross the bridge. Him say no, him going to meet me back over here. So we walk go back under the shade to get him package to him. Look on the river. Who know the river there? Rio Cobre. The great Rio Cobre River. As a child, I've been to this river. I got get a whole heap of trouble down at this river. And guess what? Still can't swim. And I hope my parents don't see this video, because then they're going to know some is a thief we ain't go a river. But hey, life's beautiful when you're a child in Spanish Town. It's been great. Right across from the river, however, is the Spanish Town Hospital. If you come from anywhere near here, you know the hospital. This is a monument put up here for this bridge. And just to give you a brief history of what you're about to enter and what you're exiting. Spanish Town Bridge are the realest thing in the hemisphere. Just like our shipping company, we're the realest thing in Jamaica. On-time delivery, all day, every day, best prices. Alright, thanks much.